UDM, PAC, NCC leadership is right. They sold out, and we are extremely offended by that, because even when they were abandoning us, they never came back to us to say, count us out. That is an act of cowardice. A genuine, legitimate leader, once they change their minds, they have to come back and say, guys, don't count on us. We've eaten hot food from the other side, and therefore we're unable to continue with the agenda. When they want to come back, that discussion will take place with them at that moment. But for now, we are extremely disappointed by their actions, where they put a preference of blue lights over the lives of our people. Many of them, for sure, they realize in the next election, they are likely not to come back. So they must eat on their way out. That's why they accepted certain things.
The leader of the Economic Freedom Fighters, Julius Malema, has called out parties that have left the caucus progressive parties and called them sellouts, specifically the Pan-Africanist Congress PAC and the UDM, which is United Democratic Movement. These parties have since joined the Government of National Unity. The leader of the UDM, Bantu Holomisa, is now the Deputy Minister of the National Defence Force. Julius Malema feels extremely offended by these parties, but stated that should they wish to leave the GNU, the Government of National Unity, they are more than welcome in the progressive parties. What's your take on this one, people? Thanks for watching. Please subscribe for more news.